Carina has always dreamed of doing a triathlon, and today she does her first ever triathlon sprint. But the waves are big, really big. She will confront the ultimate test of not just body, but heart and spirit. She'll have to swim 500 meters, bike 12 miles, and finish with a 5K run. Will she have what it takes to battle the elements? Or will her lack of experience keep her down?
My water bottle. I was wearing my suit backwards.
Join us on this electrifying journey and witness not just the battle for victory, but for personal transcendence.
I woke up around 5:30-ish. I have a nice little blister right here. When I get out of this is just a fun experience, a new adventure, and a sense of accomplishment and training this body. Right now I feel a little bit nervous. I feel good. I think last night I was thinking a little bit, thinking more about it. It was actually hard to sleep last night.
We have arrived.
You do sprint or Olympic?
Sprint.
Show a smile?
Yes.
So sprint, you should be parking lot 1.
Oh my gosh, everything's set up. Apparently 61 degrees. Water's gonna be a little cooler than that.
Is this for the outdoor movie night?
It is. You gotta keep going down to the end of playing When Harry Met Sally. So.
Okay, thank you.
You're so funny. You're always trying to find like the joke or like how to make it funny, make people laugh. I like that about you.
Why is he sending us down right here?
Because there's different areas. That's what happens when you joke around. You might meet another jokester who's just gonna keep the joke going and not necessarily give you the right information.
Is this the rally for Donald Trump? I'm just kidding. This is the parking area?
Are you filming?
Yeah. I don't know. Having fun. We're making a video.
Oh, okay. For the experience?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, this is for the Olympic?
Yeah. Oh, we're
Sprint. Sprint, okay. You're gonna need to make a U-turn and go to lot 1.
See what happens when you're just like joking around? Like people are not gonna take you seriously.
So the first guy should have told me. He didn't even ask me.
Yeah,
He
but
just
he's
said,
like, go.
oh, these are all the athletes, the Olympics.
These are the Olympians.
That's an Olympian right there. All right, ready? All right. Do you want to drink some of your water now? You want to take everything, that big bag? What are we doing?
I have to organize my so.
All right.
Should I not be saying bad words?
All right. It's like 7 a.m. It's pretty cold out right now. How you feeling over there?
It's a little cold, not gonna lie, but
I've got 3-4 layers on. She's gonna have pretty much 1 layer on.
I'm doing this because it's a challenge physically and mentally. You know, want to push myself to do something hard physically, and I think you get a nice adrenaline rush. These races motivate me and push me to get there. So a lot of the athletes are young 20-year-olds, they're tall, 6-pack, but I'm not racing them, I'm racing myself, and I am pushing myself to new limits. You know, I want this body to last me a long time and be strong and healthy. Yee! Puta madre.
Hey, so what if like you're bike riding or running, you have to go to the bathroom?
You just pee on yourself.
That's in the ocean.
I don't know. Everybody's so athletic. Like, you just look around and like everybody looks in shape, they're tall. They're wearing like the very like, you know, professional gear, which indicates that they're very experienced. And I'm over here protecting it. Bikes, they have special bike shoes for like these advanced bikes.
How do you...
2555.
We have another athlete.
I think I have to put like a sticker on my bike. What are you supposed to put on the bike?
If you found a chip lying around on the ground, please bring it over to me. We're missing.
They already gave me the medal before I even did the race. There's something about like handing it to you once you're done, not before. Anyway. I was wearing my suit backwards. So embarrassing. They're like, Carina, you have to. That's how you know they like me, because otherwise, you know, it would have been ridiculous.
Like, no wonder it felt a little awkward. I'm like, does it supposed to feel like that?
That's okay.
Sun's rising.
Yeah, it is. The swimming part is probably the scariest one just because it's in the ocean. But the good thing is that we can do backstroke, so that's always reassuring. I'm just excited to find out what it takes and what it entails because I've never done sprint triathlon.
So they got to swim out to the first buoy, then all the way out to the second buoy, around the corner and go back. It's kind of hard to tell, but that buoy out there is really far. That's way beyond your normal like swimming buoys where you're at the shoreline, you see the swimming buoys way out and you're like, I don't know if I want to swim there. Probably at least 2 to 3 times further out. We got the lifeguard crew out there as well, ready to help people eat. Hopefully that's no one today. These waves out here are nasty. There's surfer waves out here. I don't know how someone would swim in those. I'm a little bit nervous, and I'm not even swimming. It feels like the morning before a battle in ancient Rome. Everybody's a little bit nervous. You're not sure what's going to happen. Trying to channel our energy. They've gotten worse. Those are insane waves. Those are even big waves for a surfer, let alone swimmers. I'm gonna do my best to keep my eyes on Caddy from the shoreline. She's got the neon green hat, but a lot of people have that same hat. There's a few people who are still stuck at the entrance here. I think Caddy and probably most everybody else has made it beyond those initial big waves, which is the hardest part. Once you get past that, it's a little bit easier. No idea where Caddy is. There's a bunch of people with yellow hats. At this point, you can just spray and have faith. Hopefully we don't need one of those guys today. All right, the women are starting to near the second cone. Some of the guys who started first, they're starting to come back too, so that's what you can see coming back in now. They do have a ton of lifeguards out there. They got the big boat, they've got people on jet skis, they've got lifeguards on floaties, so there's a bunch of them out there. The women are starting to round the second cone and head back now. All right, women are coming in, eyes looking for Caddy. Only a few girls left. I have not seen Carina yet. practices, she says she's usually in the back because, I mean, she is like one of the oldest ones out there. These are all 22, 23-year-olds out there. There's only maybe 4 or 5 girls out there left. I don't see Carina yet. I think, I mean, there has to be her. She said if she would get tired, she would start to backpedal. But I don't see anyone backpedaling there. None of those are her. Okay. The very last, and I think she's backpedaling. And she has a green helmet on. That might be my wife. Waves, dude, they're nasty waves. I'm not gonna lie, that's hard to watch, man. Hope she's okay. You get tossed in the waves. Running faster than me. She just did that whole swim. Just watching her at the end was like, just seeing her getting tossed on the waves and seeing how brave and courageous she is to even do this and go for it and to finish it. And she says she's not competing with anyone else out there, she's competing with herself. And that was just, I don't know, I got emotional watching that. And it just shows you like how strong her spirit is. She's only 4'11", not the biggest, most athletic, but she just challenges herself and pushes herself. That's the strength of the spirit right there. It's one of the reasons I love her so much. I honestly didn't think I'd have like emotion in this video. I think that person's bike broke. Carina! Woo! I saw her on the bike, she had smiles, so that's good, she must be feeling good. Carina, right there! Woo! Last leg, get off to the run. Almost finished her first tri sprint.
When you're feeling exhausted and your body's like, man, like you still have a couple more miles to go. I'll do affirmations. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Thinking like there's a power outside of yourself that can come in and help you. I'm grateful, just trying to like think happy thoughts in the middle of like the most strenuous parts.
You got everybody standing here at the finish line, cheering people on as they come through the finish. All right, I just saw her. She's coming down the finish line for the final leg. Dude, what?
So I just realized that I am the age group champ.
You won your age group.
In my age group. I might have been the only one, but I'm the champ. It took me 26 minutes and 40 seconds to swim.
Not gonna make it the wave. Not everyone did. Some people decided to hold back.
Really?
Yeah. You made it. You finished.
Those waves, that's really scary. Those currents when you're coming out,
yeah.
I like slip a couple times. Like, whoa. To get through the waves, and then it's, you know, you can't touch the ground anymore. Those waves, those currents are really strong, and you just like, it's obviously like a physical thing, but it's also very mental, like not allowing yourself to get intimidated. Like, you can do it, just get through these like waves. It was a little surprising that I actually like stuck through the whole race. Like someone would be like, "Oh, did you actually finish the swim?" I'm like, "Yeah." I'm like, "Oh, okay, good job, good job." You know, because I've been the slowest one or whatever. It was really scary, and they said like, if you feel like you can't do it, like don't push yourself. You can always step out of the swim, continue on with the other parts. Like, no, well, I want to do everything, you know. For a second, I did debate it when I saw those waves. I was like, I don't know if I want to do this, but I did. So I'm proud of myself.